After submitting the questionnaire, the next step is to verify your identity. This is required to ensure compliance with regulations and secure your account. Select the country that issued your document and choose the type: ID card, passport, or residence permit. Then, click Continue or Continue on Phone. Next, upload your document. Use a clear, colored photo taken in a well-lit room without any edits. Start with the front side, ensuring all details are visible. After confirming, upload the backside with the same clarity. Replace the image if necessary before proceeding. You will then complete a liveness check. Position your face within the frame, remove hats, glasses, or masks, and follow the on-screen instructions. Move your head slowly as directed to complete the check. Once successful, you'll see a confirmation message. Finally, upload your proof of address. Accepted documents include bank statements, utility bills, or official letters issued within the last 4 months. Screenshots, receipts, or medical bills are not accepted. Drag and drop the document or select it manually to upload. Once all documents are uploaded, your information will be processed. The status of each verification step will appear on your screen. Please wait a few moments for the review to complete. After reviewing your submitted information for accuracy, click Submit to finalize the verification. A confirmation message will let you know your form has been successfully submitted. You'll be notified once the review is complete and your account is ready for use.